Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another review on the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2-pieces gaming chair angle adjuster replacement. If you're someone who spends a lot of time at your desk, whether it's working or gaming, having the right chair is essential for your comfort and productivity. This angle adjuster replacement is a game changer for anyone who owns a high-back swivel computer desk chair. It's designed to provide a more comfortable seating experience by allowing you to adjust the angle of the chair to your preferred position. No more settling for a fixed angle that doesn't quite suit your needs. With this angle adjuster, you can customize your chair to fit your unique comfort preferences. Not only does this replacement part improve the functionality of your chair, but it also extends the lifespan of your gaming seat. By replacing the angle adjuster, you can avoid having to invest in an entirely new chair, saving you time and money in the long run. So, why should you invest in this 2-pieces gaming chair angle adjuster replacement? Well, for starters, it's a small investment that can make a big difference in your daily comfort and productivity. It's a simple upgrade that can transform your gaming or work setup into a more ergonomic and enjoyable experience. If you're ready to take your gaming or work setup to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the 2-pieces gaming chair angle adjuster replacement. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Trust me, once you try this replacement, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.